Welcome students. Now today we are going to discuss about refractive index and speed of light. If you remember, in the last video we have done about Snell's law, where we have done the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to that of sine of angle of refraction is known as refractive index, and we represent a refractive index by n. Okay. Now today we will discuss one more method by which we can represent refractive index, that is in terms of speed of light. Remember one thing, refractive index is the light bending ability of a medium. Okay, whenever light goes from one medium to another medium and the optical density of both media is different, that is the speed of light in both media is different, then the second medium into which the light enters, it bends the light. The light bending ability of any medium is known as its refractive index. Okay, we can define refractive index as refractive index is equal to the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum to that of speed of light in that medium. Here, what is the meaning of that medium? That medium means the medium into which light enters. Okay. For example, refractive index of glass with respect to air. Look here how we will write it. This is the symbol of refractive index. We will write here glass and we will write here air. And we will read it like this. When light goes from air to glass, the refractive index of glass with respect to air will be equal to speed of light in air over speed of light in glass. Okay, I repeat once again. Refractive index is equal to the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum, okay, to that of speed of light in that medium. Okay, suppose we want to find the refractive index of glass when light goes from air to glass. Okay, when light goes from air to glass, the refractive index of glass with respect to air will be equal to speed of light in air over speed of light in glass. Okay. And if you want to find it, you can find it also. That is, speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second over speed of light in glass 2 into 10 raised to power 8. It will cancel out and it will be 1.5. So we can say that the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. Refractive index has no units, okay, because refractive index is a ratio of two same physical quantities, okay. This is velocity of air, velocity of light in air, or speed of light in air over speed of light in glass. Numerator is also speed, denominator is also speed. So their units will cancel out and there will be no units of refractive index. Okay? Look here. If light goes from medium 1 to medium 2, this is the refractive index. Light is going from medium 1 to 2. Okay? Then refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium will be equal to speed of light in first medium over speed of light in second medium. Okay, it is equal to the ratio of speed of light in the two media. Okay, now if it is given to you that now, suppose I ask you a question. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.5. Okay? The refractive index of glass with respect to air is equal to 1.5. What is the meaning of this statement? Okay? Look here. Refractive index of glass with respect to air means speed of light in air over speed of light in glass. It is equal to 1.5. Take this speed of light in glass to this side. So speed of light in air will be 1.5 times speed of light in glass. Remember this thing? The refractive index of any medium represents how fast the speed of light in air is as compared to the speed of light in that media. If the refractive index of glass is 1.5, this 1.5 represents that the speed of light in air is 1.5 times the speed of light in glass. Okay? If it is given like this, speed of refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is say 1.3. Then we will apply the formula here. That will be equal to speed of light in first medium over speed of light in second medium is equal to 1.3. So speed of light in first medium will be equal to 1.3 times the speed of light in second medium. Keep this point in mind. Okay? That refractive index represents how many times the speed of light in air or vacuum is greater than the speed of light in that medium. Okay? Second medium or glass, we have done the example.